Hello everyone, welcome back to a new price prediction, price analysis update on Green Metaverse token. We'll be talking about where we see levels currently are and some of the potential outcomes that we can see in the next upcoming days. We will be talking about its previous highs, its previous lows in the 5 minutes and also in the 1 hour. So these types of videos is something that is in your interest. Please like and subscribe. And alright, so let's get into the video and talk about some of its analysis. So as we know from the last video that we've created, we were in a range of market here, as we can see, at the levels of 0.83. We saw that price went up there one time, and it was creating a resistance because we saw on the RSI, we were also oversold, okay, and the Bollinger Bands, we were oversold as well. And we also see that when we went up there several times, with the new video now, we have these levels that we can be connecting here as well. And when we reach these levels, it created another resistance level that we saw, and the price unfortunately couldn't continue for the upside, okay? And as we can see, we were also oversold on the RSI, and the MACD was indicating that there was going to be a reversal. So that's what happened, okay? And also from a previous video, I was talking about these levels here at the 0.76, where I stated that I wanted price to bounce off these levels, break out of these resistance, bounce off these levels, and then retouch the Bollinger Bands and the RSI to create these resistance levels here, okay? Unfortunately, that didn't happen. But we also had another analogy here and another update, and we stated that if price does break out of these levels, we could be seeing a retracement back down, okay? And for the 1 hour, as we can see, we created another downtrend here. And after we created this downtrend, we had a bullish momentum here, as we can see with the volume as well. There's a lot of volume that happened. If we draw it out, we can see the volume is intaking the bullish momentum instead of the bearish, okay? And that's why we saw a big movement here to the upside at the at these levels here. But again, we also reached the Bollinger Bands level here, and the price was indicating that it was oversold. And also, no coincidence here, but if we zoom out, these were also the levels of resistance before, okay? So just keep in mind that these levels here are major resistance, okay? We're still in this range of market here. We've been in it for quite some time. But for price for GMT to break these levels, we would have to see a continuation at these levels here, which I would draw out. For price to break out of these levels, bounce back and create a support level here at the 0.53 instead of the resistance levels that we have here, and then continue its rally up, okay? And if we zoom out as well, we saw that currently we're in the 1 hour, so this can still go both ways here. So we're still in this range of market, and if I draw my lines out here, price is still in this sideways market here, and we could be seeing two ways, okay? For the 1 hour, like I stated, we could see a price reversal to the upside, to the bullish momentum. If we do break this right here at these levels, 0.86, and continue its rally up, okay? We're also indicating in the MACD that we're seeing some bullish momentum happening with the connection. And if we do zoom out, if price does break these levels, so I'm not seeing a level to go with, but for the bear side, if price breaks these levels here, we know that it will be bouncing back on these levels here at the last candle, red candle here. So if price does break these levels, we can see continuation down here to this side here, which it will create a resistance and then bounce back to these levels here at 0.64, which would be creating another support level. So hopefully that doesn't happen. Hopefully we can see price touch back here and retest the resistance level at 0.84, and on that note we can see another bullish momentum to the upside. But if price does break these levels, so just keep in mind these levels, okay? 0.75, price does break these levels, we could be seeing a retracement back to the support levels of 0.64, and then hopefully that doesn't happen. But in this sense, if we do zoom out, if price does break these levels, we could see another support level here that's being created in the downtrend that we created before. and we could be seeing a ranging market here for quite some time before, if price does break these levels, we will be seeing another retest to these resistance here, and then bouncing back up this support at 0.56. So just keep that in mind. I do believe GMT as a long-term project and a long-term coin. So there's a lot of potential for it, but also keep in mind that with everything happening with crypto and news, it could have an effect. So nothing is guaranteed in crypto. So just keep that in mind, these two levels, and hopefully price continues to rally up, okay? Also, if we take a look at the 5 minutes, as we can see, we had a continuation here at the bullish momentum at these levels. We had a resistance. So currently we are in this range of market right now. For these prices, we could see a rally up. We're currently in the middle side of the RSI, so this could go both ways. But the MACD is indicating that there's going to be a reversal to the bullish momentum. So we could be seeing another retest at these levels here. And hopefully if we do break these levels, we could be seeing a potential rise to retest these highs here at the 5 minutes of 0.78. Okay, so just keep that in mind. We're currently in this range of market, and if the price does break out of these zones here, then we could be seeing another retracement back to these levels here. So another retracement here, retest to these support levels, and then bounce back off this demand right here at the 0.74. So I hope this was valuable. I hope I brought value information here, and just keep in mind that when you're looking at GMT, it's important to keep this project in mind as a long term. Don't think about it as 1 month out, okay? And I hope I see you in the next one, and take care, and stay blessed.